Want to ditch the key fob? Tesla allows you to use your smartphone as a key. By tapping your phone on the B pillar, that's the vertical support between the front and rear doors, you can lock and unlock your Tesla. This video will guide you through how it works and how to set it up. Tesla's smartphone key feature uses near-field communication, or NFC. NFC is a short-range wireless technology that allows devices to exchange data when they're in close proximity, typically within a few centimeters. Your smartphone contains an NFC chip that communicates with the Tesla vehicle. The Tesla app must be open and authenticated on your phone for the feature to work. To use the feature, hold your phone close to the B pillar of your Tesla. The B pillar is the vertical support pillar between the front and rear doors on the driver's side. For unlocking the car, simply tap your phone once on the B pillar. To lock the vehicle, perform a double tap or hold the phone against the B pillar until it locks. First, ensure your phone meets these requirements for setting up as a Tesla key. Enable Bluetooth and location services on your phone. You can check these in your phone's settings. In your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to the Locks menu, then select Keys to begin adding your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions in your Tesla to add your phone as a key. Make sure your car is in range during the setup process. Tesla's smartphone key system requires your phone to be unlocked before you can use it to access your vehicle. This prevents unauthorized access even if someone gains physical possession of your device. All communication between your phone and the Tesla vehicle uses end-to-end encryption. This means your key data is protected against interception, making the system more secure than traditional radio frequency key fobs that can be jammed or cloned. Instead of storing permanent key data on your phone, Tesla's system uses temporary digital tokens. These tokens are generated on demand and expire after use, reducing the risk if your phone is lost or stolen. The tokens are validated through Tesla's secure servers. If your phone is lost or stolen, you can quickly revoke its access as a key. Simply use the Tesla app on another device to remove the phone from your account, or contact Tesla support for immediate assistance. This ensures your vehicle remains secure. Tesla's security measures have proven effective, with users experiencing a 40% reduction in vehicle thefts compared to those not using smartphone keys. The system has had 0 major security breaches since its introduction. One common issue is low battery. If your phone's battery is too low, the NFC sensor may not function properly. Keep your phone charged to ensure reliable access. Another issue can be obstructions on the B pillar. Make sure there are no stickers, dirt, or accessories blocking the NFC sensor area on your Tesla. Cold weather may affect the NFC sensor's sensitivity, though Tesla has improved this in recent updates. If issues persist, try warming your phone slightly. Finally, make sure your Tesla app is always up to date. Updates often include fixes for NFC issues and improved security features. Using your smartphone as a key offers unmatched convenience. There's no need to carry a separate key fob. Just tap your phone on the B pillar to lock or unlock your Tesla. Your phone key integrates seamlessly with other Tesla app features, such as remote climate control. You can precondition your vehicle or adjust settings directly from the app interface. This feature has been widely adopted. According to a 2025 Tesla owner survey, over 90% of owners now use their phone as their primary key method, citing its reliability and ease of use. Plus, using your phone as a key is more secure than traditional fobs. It prevents signal jamming attacks and requires authentication through the app, keeping your Tesla safe from unauthorized access. Tesla is leading the way toward a fully digital ownership experience, where physical keys become obsolete and all vehicle access happens through your connected devices. Soon, you'll see deeper integration with wearables like Apple Watch or Android Wear, allowing hands-free access to your Tesla with just a tap or proximity detection. Biometric features like fingerprint unlocking through your phone are becoming standard, adding an extra layer of security and convenience to vehicle access. Tesla aims to expand this technology beyond their own vehicles, working toward a universal digital key standard that could work with other car brands through partnerships. Looking ahead, expect full biometric integration, including facial recognition via your phone camera, AI-driven adaptive security features like geofencing that automatically unlocks your car only in trusted locations, and continuous over-the-air improvements. Many Tesla owners praise the phone key for its convenience, especially in urban environments where hands-free access makes daily commutes easier. For instance, a New York City owner reported using the smartphone key for daily commutes, appreciating the feature during rainy weather when pockets are inaccessible. However, a 2023 incident where a user's phone died mid-trip required roadside assistance, underscoring the need for backup keys. In rugged conditions, Cybertruck owners have noted the feature's reliability for off-road access, where traditional keys might fail due to mud or debris. Experts highlight its security benefits, noting a significant reduction in key loss incidents compared to physical fobs. Tech reviewers from outlets like Ars Technica praise its simplicity and security. Statistics show 85% of Tesla owners use smartphone keys exclusively, with a 98% success rate in optimal conditions and a 40% drop in vehicle thefts among users. Safety experts from the AAA advocate for it as a theft deterrent, but warn against over-reliance, recommending hybrid setups. Some suggest a hybrid approach for ultimate security, combining phone keys with backup cards.